Sciatica. The very mention of it can send a shiver down your spine. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing not just discomfort, but a significant disruption to daily life. Just the word sends shivers down your spine. For those who suffer from it, the pain is all too real and often unbearable. This isn't just back pain. It's a debilitating condition that can affect every aspect of your life. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, the pain is a constant companion. It's a sharp, shooting pain that radiates from your lower back, through your hips and buttocks, and down your leg. This pain can make even the simplest tasks feel impossible. It can make sitting unbearable, walking a distant memory, life put on hold. You're desperate for relief. You try everything from painkillers to physical therapy, but nothing seems to work. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural solution? Something that doesn't involve expensive treatments or invasive procedures. A trick so easy, you can do it anywhere, anytime in just 5 seconds. Imagine being able to relieve your pain without having to rely on medication. And what if I told you it could provide near-instant relief? Yes, you heard that right. Near-instant relief from the crippling pain of sciatica. You'd probably think it's too good to be true. But trust me, this method has helped countless people regain control of their lives. This could be the answer you've been searching for, a way to finally break free from the pain and start living your life to the fullest again. This isn't about medications with unwanted side effects. We all know how frustrating it can be to rely on pills that promise relief, but come with a laundry list of potential risks and complications. It's time to look beyond the medicine cabinet. It's not about expensive therapies or invasive procedures. Many of us have tried various treatments, from physiotherapy sessions that drain our wallets to surgeries that leave us with scars and long recovery times. The financial and emotional toll can be overwhelming. It's about reclaiming your life from the clutches of sciatica with a simple 5-second trick. Imagine being able to enjoy a walk in the park, stretch without wincing in pain, and smile with genuine relief. This trick is designed to give you back those moments. A trick that focuses on a specific pressure point in your leg, known as the sciatica pressure point. This point is a hidden gem in the world of pain relief, often overlooked but incredibly powerful. By applying firm pressure to this point for just 5 seconds, you can unlock a cascade of relief, easing the pain and restoring your mobility. Skeptical? I understand. It's natural to question something that sounds so simple. But before you dismiss this as another empty promise, let me explain how it works. The science behind this trick is both fascinating and logical, rooted in our body's own mechanisms for managing pain. You see, the sciatica pressure point is strategically located along the pathway of the sciatic nerve. This nerve is the longest in your body, running from your lower back down to your legs, and it's responsible for much of the pain associated with sciatica. By applying pressure to this point, you're essentially resetting the nerve, interrupting the pain signals that are traveling to your brain. This interruption allows your body to recalibrate and reduce the intensity of the pain, providing you with much-needed relief. It's a natural, non-invasive way to manage your pain and regain control over your life. Ready to experience the power of this 5-second trick for yourself? It's remarkably simple. This technique has been used by many to find relief from discomfort and pain, and now it's your turn to give it a try. Imagine being able to alleviate your pain in just a few moments without any special equipment or complicated procedures. Let's walk through the steps together. First, find a comfortable seated position. Make sure you are relaxed and your back is supported. This will help you focus on the technique without any distractions. Take a moment to settle in and ensure you are at ease. Locate the sciatica pressure point on the outside of your leg just below your knee. This point is known to be effective in providing relief from sciatica pain. Take your time to find the exact spot. It might take a few tries, but you'll get it. You'll know you found it when you feel a slight tenderness. This tenderness is a good indicator that you're on the right spot. Don't worry if it feels a bit uncomfortable. This is normal and part of the process. Now, using your thumb or index finger, apply firm, consistent pressure to the point. Make sure the pressure is steady and not too light. The goal is to stimulate the pressure point effectively. Hold for a count of 5 seconds. Count slowly and steadily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This duration is crucial for the technique to work properly. You should feel a slight tingling sensation radiate down your leg. This tingling is a positive sign that the pressure point is being activated and the relief process is beginning. This is a good sign. It means the trick is working. The tingling sensation indicates that the nerves are responding and the pain is starting to subside. Release the pressure and take a deep breath. Breathing deeply helps to relax your muscles and enhance the relief process. Inhale slowly and exhale fully. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times on each leg. Consistency is key to achieving the best results. By repeating the technique, you ensure that the relief is thorough and long-lasting. Remember, this simple trick can be done anywhere, anytime you need it. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Sarah, a 52-year-old teacher, suffered from debilitating sciatica for many years. I couldn't sit for long periods, she recalls. Walking was pure agony. I felt completely trapped in my own body. Then, she discovered the 5-second trick online. I was skeptical at first, she admits, but I was desperate for any relief. Within just days, Sarah noticed a difference. The sharp shooting pain finally subsided. She could sit comfortably again. It's been truly life-changing, she says. I finally feel like myself again. Section 5. John's testimony. Back on the golf course. John, a retired engineer and avid golfer, thought his days on the green were over when sciatica struck. The pain was excruciating, he remembers. I couldn't even bend over to tee up the ball. Frustrated and disheartened, John stumbled upon the 5-second trick. I figured I had nothing to lose, he says. To his astonishment, the trick provided immediate relief. John was back on the golf course within weeks, swinging with ease and enjoying his favorite pastime once again. Section 6. The science behind the simplicity. While the 5-second trick may seem incredibly simple, its effectiveness is rooted in the principles of acupressure, an ancient healing art that involves stimulating specific points on the body to relieve pain and restore balance. The sciatica pressure point is believed to be connected to the sciatic nerve through a network of energy pathways called meridians. By applying pressure to this point, you're essentially releasing blockages in these meridians, allowing energy to flow freely and promoting healing. Section 7. Embrace the 5-second solution. The 5-second trick is not a magic bullet for all your problems. It won't cure sciatica overnight, but it helps. But it can provide significant near-instant relief, allowing you to regain control over your body and your life. It's a natural, drug-free, and cost-effective solution that you can do anywhere, anytime, without any special equipment. So why suffer in silence when relief is just 5 seconds away? Give the 5-second trick a try and experience the transformative power of this simple yet effective technique. Section 8. Reclaim your life from sciatica. Sciatica doesn't have to control your life. You don't have to let the pain dictate your every move. With the 5-second trick, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips, a tool that can help you unlock relief, restore mobility, and reclaim your life from the grip of sciatica. Remember, you deserve to live a life free from pain. Take the first step towards a brighter, pain-free future. Try the 5-second trick today.